In this video, you guys can see 7 best pants or trousers you can buy under ₹999 from Myntra. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another haul video. What I mean, the best. At this price point, what are the best trousers available at this point of time? Not necessarily that these are the best trousers available in Myntra, but in specific to this budget. And also, please do consider that the prices may vary depending on when you shop during the sale times or during non-sale times. Sometimes you may get it for more and sometimes you may get it for less. This is the best time to buy in 2021. The sale period has started and Myntra has started its Right to Fashion sale where you can get up to 80% off. Do remember one thing, guys. I think I have mentioned this in my previous videos as well. I always keep the emphasis on the smart shopping, guys. I generally use one of my favorite cashback platforms, which is called Cashkaro. Cashkaro is one of the India's biggest cashback application, for which they have the application as well as the website where you can earn cashback on each and every online purchases across 1500 plus sites, guys. Not only you're limited to Myntra, but you can shop in Amazon as well as the Ajio. That helps users save over and above all the coupons discounts across 1500 sites, guys. Having said that, let's move quickly into the trouser number 1 and trouser number 2. These are the similar trousers in a different colorways. Moving in specific to the trouser number 1. It is a black colored drawstring pant which is having a composition of linen to it in a size of 32. These are priced at 2,499. And moving on to the trouser number 2. This is a marble blue color linen blend drawstring pant from Must & Harbour in a size of 32. I like them so much that I got them in 2 different colorways. These are the best pants, best bang for your buck you can get under 1,000 rupees, guys. Trust me, it's not going to be anything better in terms of the fit, in terms of the color choices you have, in terms of the composition of the materials, and in terms of the style. Let's quickly discuss why I consider these as the best options. The number 1, these are the pleated options. So you can dress versatile with these pants. If you want to go semi-formal to semi-casual, this can help you do that. And number 2, if you guys don't know, drawstring pants are the trend, guys. This is where men's fashion is going on, and if you guys haven't watched my video on the drawstring pants, I highly recommend you guys to watch that. I will leave the video link on the iCard as well as in the description below. Being it a drawstring pants, in case if you don't like, if you want to dress semi-formal or semi-casual, you can remove the drawstring very easily, and it can give you the versatility of dressing super casual as well, being a drawstring pant. And the number 3, the composition. It is having a composition of linen to it, not exactly the entire composition is cotton here, so it's better suited for the summer season and can be a transitional piece, because most of the times here in many of the areas the temperatures are going to be on the higher side, so it may be a transitional piece. And number 4, the fit of it. The fit, even though it's mentioned as a regular fit, I feel that it is somewhere between the slim to regular fit, being the fit not a skinny or a slim fit one. It can be little more versatile comparatively to the other fits. That's what you have to consider. These are the advantages when it comes to these 2 pants. However, there is a minor disqualifier in terms of the length. At least for me, this is a minor one. Just by an inch, I would have loved the length to be a little bit shorter, just an inch. Maybe it's for my height, for you it may be perfect. So this is something which is subjective and you can ignore this minor disqualifier. Moving on to the pant number 3. It is a rust orange linen blend drawstring pant from Must & Harbour in a size of 32. Actually, it's a jogger, and this color, it's a little bit different, guys. In case if you have the bases covered with the neutral colors first among the bottom wear, then you have to experiment with these kind of colors such as the blue mal color or the rust orange color. Here, if you can see, I just paired with the similar color rust orange t-shirt from Roadster, Henley t-shirt from Roadster exactly, just to make sure that it looks like a corded set, but there is absolutely no need to do that, and you can dress it with the neutrals in order to look better with these kind of different colors or a statement kind of a colors. The advantages or what exactly I liked in terms of the material compositions or in terms of the drawstring pants stays the same in alignment with the trouser number 1 and trouser number 2. But however, there is a disqualifier in terms of the fit. Even though it's a slim fit one, it doesn't fit even to me. It is having a little bit more room, means I can say that it's irregular. Actually, the fit is not proportional like how a slim fit trouser need to be. At the hem area of the trouser, you do have that extra strings to customize your fit. But in case if you don't want to do that in order to look like a normal trouser, I think the fit is not that great. But if you make sure that you pull the strings according to the fit you need, then there is no absolute disqualifier at all. As mentioned earlier in the video, Cashkaro is one of the India's biggest cashback platform, for which they have the application as well as the website. As this video is all about Myntra Right to Fashion Sale Haul, we can talk about how much discount you are gonna get on Myntra. On Myntra, you can get up to 6% cashback for each and every purchase you make, and you will be able to buy the same products at 6% extra cashback, guys, using the links which I mentioned in the description below. Let me quickly tell you guys why exactly I like Cashkaro as a cashback application or a cashback tool. Just click on the link in the description below and download Cashkaro. That's the first point you have to do. Once you did that, you are gonna get an extra 25 rupees of instant bonus. Once you have made your account, you guys have to tap on your favorite website or search for any favorite website if you have one. Tap on the orange button, guys, and then you will be redirected towards the Myntra website. And make sure that you shop only on the website. Don't navigate to the application. In case if you do that, you will not get that 6% cashback. Once you are redirected towards the item, make sure that you add to the cart and shop as you would normally do. The beauty with this Cashkaro is that not necessarily that you have to pay via prepaid. You can even avail cash on delivery and still get the cashback. If the product is not returned or not cancelled, once the return period has been completed, after a certain number of days, your cashback will be credited to your account, guys. Once that cashback has been credited, there is a cap of 250 rupees in order for that to be redeemable to your bank account. Don't underestimate the cashback which you are receiving for one order. Once that gets accumulated, without you knowing that how much amount you must have saved, and you can use for your further shopping needs. Moving on to the trouser number 4. It is a super slim fit black color contrast side tape trouser from a brand called Highlander. This I got it in a size of 32. Guys, make sure that you go true to size, don't size down, because this is a super slim fit version from Highlander. Sometimes in Highlander I go for 30 size and sometimes I go for 32, but for this you have to make sure that you go true to size. They have contrast side tape trousers in different colorways, and you can get them as low as 500 to 600 rupees. That's how crazy they are. I love the color combination. Being with a black trouser, it's gonna be versatile, and the contrast for the side tape happens with the white color, so it's easy to mix and match with the rest of the pieces in your wardrobe. If you want to go for a contrast side tape trouser, this should be the first color combination you should target for. And don't forget that Highlander offers them on a budget. It's not going to be super durable, but I like the fit of it and I like the quality. It's par for the price they offer. Moving on to the pant number 5, this is a Blackberry vertical striped trousers. You guys know that I love vertical striped shirts, trousers, or beat anything with the vertical stripes. It is a white and navy blue slim fit striped trouser from a brand called Blackberries, and which I got it in a size of 32. These are priced at 2,800 rupees. Yes, these are on the expensive side, but however, these are discounted most of the times during the sale times, because these are almost like 6 months old, means these are from the previous season. So I got it at a price point of 919 or somewhere around that. At that price point, and the color combination for the striped trousers, I always say that you have to make sure that you go with the neutral color base and then play with the color of the stripes. You need to be very precise when you go for the striped trousers. It is a pleated trousers from Blackberries. Coming to the fit of these pants, these are the slim fit versions from Blackberries, and they fit you absolutely well, guys. And even the length of this trouser is really great. If you have a pleated trousers, the versatility is going to be a little bit more when compared to the other trousers, because you can dress from semi-casual to semi-formal. But being it a striped pant, I doubt that, but having the pleats won't hurt you guys. And I love how subtle these stripes are, so that you can mix and match very easily if you are opting for a striped pant. And if it is your first striped pants, generally I would suggest you guys to go for the darker options first and then come for the lighter options. In case if you already own a striped pant, this should be the option you should go for, and at a price point of below 999 rupees, it can't be better than this in terms of the quality Blackberry offers, and in terms of the fit you are getting. This is a must-have option in your wardrobe. Moving on to the trouser number 6. It is a brown color Mustang Harbor corduroy trouser, which I got it in a size of 30. For this trouser, I have sized down because this have the elastic waistband and also a regular fit. This is priced at somewhere around 2000 at a retail price point, but however, at most of the times during the Myntra sales as well as during the non-sale times, it is closer to the 1000 price points. Coming to what exactly I liked in this trouser, the number 1, the color of the trouser. Even though it's mentioned as a brown color, I can easily say that it is much more closer to the mustard yellow. And the other factor, for the price point of 700 to 800 rupees, the corduroy quality which Mustang Harbor gives for this trouser, actually it's really good. The number 3, This one is more related to the sizing decisions I took because I went with the size 30 instead of size 32. This fits me so well, so I like the fit as well. In case if you don't want exactly this color, they have them in multiple colorways. Moving on to the trouser number 7. It is a grey regular fit chinos from H&M, which is priced at 2000 rupees, and this one I got it in a size of 31 by 30. The best part with this trouser is that you can select the inseam length, so there is absolutely no need for tailoring. And as mentioned earlier, it is a regular fit pant, guys. If you guys don't know, the trend has been picking up, actually going backwards to the 90s, where actually the silhouettes are becoming much more to a regular side rather than being on the slimmer to skinnier fit. There is no need to mention the quality of the H&M products, and that too when you're getting at a price point of less than 1000 rupees. This is fairly priced at 2000 rupees as mentioned earlier. On top of that, during the Myntra Right to Fashion sale, you can get this at a price point of 999 rupees. For 999 rupees for a H&M pant of this quality with the inseam length options and the color being the neutral color and you being in the trend by opting for the regular fit, it's a must-have trouser, guys. Please do click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, and turn on the post notification bell in order to get notified as soon as I post a video. And also don't forget to check out the sponsor for this video, which is Kashkaro. In case if you are part of the Find Your Style family and if you want to do smart shopping, this is something which you should not miss. As mentioned earlier, make sure that you sign up using the link mentioned in the description below so that you can get an extra 25 rupees as an instant bonus. And also for each and every piece mentioned in this video, you can avail a 6% cashback if you shop using the links in the description. That's it from me. See you guys next time.